Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning guys! Bakit ang sobrang puti ng mukha ko guys? Yes, I'm still hebo ako. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ngayon is Wednesday. Okay. I don't know what time is... Yeah, today is Wednesday. And then, I'm just going to put something on my face to be ready because I will probably do live later on my Facebook page. Bad girl mana. Yung mga dahon sa bonsai ko kinain. Bad girl. Bad girl. No, you too. You too. You don't tell your sisters to stop. You don't tell your sister to stop. You two down. You don't tell your sister. Get down. Down. No. You should tell your sister. Stop it, sister. Mama get mad.
Huh?
You should tell that sister right there, You just watch her and enjoy what she's doing. Tignan nyo yung sister nyo. Yes, Roxy, tell Dimples. You have to tell Dimples to stop what she's doing. Huh? Why you don't tell Dimplers? Why? Naminaw, uroy ni mga kigohertz na to. Tell her. Goodness. Look, lives on the floor because you don't tell your sister to stop it. Is that it, Pansit,
Oh no!
No, me, no. You listen like you understand me. My goodness. Who did that over there? Who did it? Adoy, ginoo ko. No, Ano kayang gusto nila? Tignan nyo, nakatingin sa akin parang may hihingin. Itong si Misty, tignan nyo. Pinakain ko na kayo. Ano pa bang gusto ninyo? Misty? Anong gusto mo? Pinakain ko na kayo ng breakfast nyo. Kinain nyo. Good girl. So now, it's still 8 o'clock. I will give you something later. I will do that. Do you wanna go out this way? You wanna go out this way? Excited lagi na yun sa driveway o sa garage. O, tignan niyo si Roxy. Excited sa garage way? Sa garage way? Alam nila kung asan yung this way. Alam mo Alam ba ninyo kung asan let's go out this way? Do you wanna... One! Misty, one! What? Who wants some treaties? Somebody wants some treaties? Oh, excited. Who wants some bullshit? Yeah, mapula-pula itong lipstick ko, guys. Kasi mapula-pula kasi yung gusto ko, guys. So, yun. Ang aga natin ngayon. Good morning. And here's the bag. Get down, bag. There's your treat. Nagigaming ako, guys, and hala, ano ba to? Ito talaga yung kamerang to. Kailangan kong magmukbang, guys. Magfi-film ako today. At saka, yeah, so yun lang, magfi-film ako today para masya-shoutout ko rin yung mga nag-regret sa akin ba ng birthday at saka yung sa ano namin mag-asawa sa anniversary. At saka i-upload ko siya ahead. Baka na-upload na siya before itong vlog na ito kasi gusto kong pasalamat sa inyo sa mga wishes, sa mga birthday wishes, sa mga anniversary namin ni Tami, sa anniversary namin yon. But Roxy na lonely man na baby. Uy, lonely talaga sila guys kapag hindi ko sila kinakausap. Malonely table man lagi na ba? Malonely man lagi. Uy, tignan nyo. Oh, lonely. Oh. Lonely baby. Lonely. Maganda yung temperature sa labas. Gusto mag-ano na lang sana ako pero marami pa man akong gagawin. Uy, laanan ko yung garden ko guys. Maglaan ako talaga ng doon, oras or araw, hindi lang isang araw lagi, buong araw para sa paglilinis sa labas. Ano gawin ko? Hala, alam nyo ba kung ano yung gagawin ko? Lutuin ko to. Mushrooms. Dinner na lang ako magmukbang. Oy, dinner. So, yeah, sa dinner na lang ako magmukbang. Mamaya ko na lang lutuin. Long dinner na lang. So, magla-lunch ako. Ito na lang. Sa dinner na lang ako kasi talagang buhay na ito. Ako na natatapol. Na busy sa laro. Yun talaga yung ko guys. Na busy ako sa laro. Kaya ganito yung ko. Palaging late. Kung meron man akong plano, wala. Hindi magawa. Busy sa laro. At saka sa edit. At saka sa pag yun. At saka din ako ngayon. Yung katawan ko init, ginaw. Dahil alam na guys, alam na, diba? Basta ganun, alam na guys. Babae ba kayo? Alam nyo na. Yun, alam nyo na. Si Roxy ba? Parang si Roxy yung nasasad siya ba? Kasi alam ata niya na busy ako, yung hindi ko binigyan ng time sila. Parang yun ang nafe-feel ko. Parang parang siya ba? Nalulundi. Hindi siya, lang siya, nakahiga, tingin sa akin, yung sad face ba, alam ko naman yung mga aso ko guys, kapag yung may pakiramdam, or parang anak rin yun nyo ba, may pakiramdam, at saka, yung nasasad, makikita mo sa reaction, at saka si Roxy talaga yung pinaka-showy, kung ano yung nafe-feel niya. Ay, nako, hindi ko talaga alam bakit masakit itong mata ko Parang matatagak siya, parang mahuhulog yung mata ko. Hindi ko alam. And it's time for me to clean up. Clean up everywhere. Clean up everywhere. And the two of you need to be outside, okay? You stay outside that mama can clean up the floor, that hindi kayo kasi for 1 hour sa labas sila. Tapos na guys, first coat pa yan. So, nandun sa labas yung aso. First coat pa yan, then second coat 1 hour later. So, sa labas muna yung dalawa. Kawawa naman. At saka, alam niyo ba kung asan yung posa? Hi! Hi, Vivi! Hi, Dims! You cannot go out, okay? No, you cannot go out. Tignan niya yan. She tried to open it. Dimple Heart, you cannot go out, baby. I know. You cannot go out. You have to wait for 1 hour, okay? Look at the bug. Oh. She looks at me really different. What is it? We lock you in here. We lock you in here. Inopen ko yung window dun, guys. Kasi kapag ilala ko ito, yung heater, mafe-feel nila yung heat dito. So, I open the window that they will like smell some fresh air. At saka yung aso, Misty is there. Nakatingin lang si Misty. Ay, nakatingin si Misty. Where's your sister, mates? Yan, kakaiba talaga pag mabutlagyan ng protection. Oh. Nakikita mo talagang siya. Naprotektahan yung wood. Hello, where's Roxy? Where's Roxy, mates? She's right there. You cannot get in yet, baby. Not yet, baby. You have to wait until this dry, okay? You wait until this dry? Huh? Kawawa naman faces the baby ni mama, oy. Kawawa naman yan, oy. Kawawa naman yung baby. Yes, no, baby? Hello, baby. Kawawa. I love you, guys. I love you, baby. Love ni mama, oy. Lulutuin ko lang itong marinate. Yan na ko siya, dinidefrost. So, lutuin ko siya and then Imumukbang ko siya mamaya. Itaas ko nga tong buhok ko kasi maano siya, masamok. Maganda sa labas. Uy, mag-gardening pero hindi ko pa feel. So, nakalimutan kong nagluluto pala ako, guys. So, ito. Aray, siya. Ang init pala. Oh, ginoo ko tabangin ko. Init. So, nakalimutan ko na nagluluto pala ako, guys. Ito. Buhay nga naman. Yun, ang buhay. Maliit lang na oil para sa yun. Saka, ito guys, luto na. And then, we're gonna do mukbang after I cook the asparagus, oil and garlic. Asparagus boiling right now. And then, yeah, so boiling. Ako lang naman isa, so yun lang. Isang hikutan. Hi guys. Andito ako guys. Ibang araw na ito guys, pero guys, nag-i-edit ako ng video ngayon na ano ko lang talaga guys, na hindi ko pala siya na-in ng sakto guys. Hindi ko siya na-in ng sakto, so i-in ko siya. So bago natin i-in, magsha-shoutout na lang tayo guys, kasi may magpapa-shoutout naman. Hi kay Ili Loki. Isa-shoutout ko daw yung hubby niya, yung husband niya, sa Scott Loki from Fresno, California. Hi Ili Loki and sa husband niyang si Scott Loki. Hi sa inyo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Si Lina Tansiko. Hi sis. Thank you for watching. Lina Tansiko. Thank you so much. Runa Bilyudo. Hi sis Runa Bilyudo. Thank you so much for watching. At saka meron pa si Mavic Niero Simodlan. Hi! Shout out from Bohol daw siya. Thank you so much sis for watching from Bohol. Hi! I never been in Bohol. And also shout out daw kay Franz Apolinio. Franz Apolinio, hi po sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. Magpapa-hi sina Cecil Advencola. Hi, Cecil Advencola. From Bacoor, Cavite. Hi, thank you so much for watching, sis. And also, hi to Marilyn Cresp. Thank you so much for watching. And I think yun lang siya. And yeah, so, may magpa-greet daw si Angel's Dream Within a Dream. Happy birthday belated sa asawa niyang si Mark Ward. Happy birthday belated last April 22nd. And yeah, belated happy birthday from your wife. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed your birthday. And also hi to Kaliana Alrasho. Hi sis, thank you so much for watching. Always, I notice you now sa mga comment section. At saka, hi din kina Christy Vlog. Hi, I think channel niya to, Christy Vlog. And also, hi to Latimban Josephine. Hi sis Latimban Josephine. Thank you so much for watching sis. Hi to Genevieve at Lira dito sa St. Louis, Missouri, USA. And also, isa-shout out kay rin si Rose Bueno. Hi sis Rose Bueno. Thank you for watching. And also, hi to Ida Kingsbury. And yeah, so thank you sa inyo guys. And in ko na tong vlog because when I'm editing guys, hindi ko pa siya na-i-end talaga ng sakto. So, pasalamat na rin ako sa inyo. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope I will see you tomorrow's video. Yeah, bye guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.